My sister come and he don't know Gujarati.
Oh.
I know sometimes I know Gujarati.
Even I don't know. I know little bit. Not so
I
perfect.
also.
Chalo, now everyone, join your hands and close your eyes. Everything I am, everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you've given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. What happened today? Not feeling good? Not happy?
I'm just feeling sleepy.
Or yes, sir. Yes, Hriday? Making faces. Don't want to attend the class. Okay, no problem. Chalo, so here we will start with that. Write down the date in the chat box. Yes, Shivain, the date is correct. Write down the date in the chat box. Yes, Shlok, correct. Vedika, Yanvi, correct. Laksh, correct. Pakhi, correct. Nivan, correct. Shlok, correct. Kia, the date is correct. Okay, so what is the date today? Today's date is 28th 9 2021, 28th September 2021, and the day is Tuesday. Today which day? Tuesday. Yesterday it was Monday, so what will come after Monday? Tuesday. Now your first class is your maths class. So what we are going to do, the next number name. Okay, we are going to write the next number name. So take your maths notebook. Take your maths notebook. Everyone take your maths notebook. Open a fresh new page. Write down today's date.
Ma'am, is today Wednesday?
No, today is Tuesday, not Wednesday. So give the heading number name. (18). Yes, today we are going to write number name 18. We have already finished 17 yesterday. Okay, SEVEN and today we are going to write 18, the number name 18. So what is 18? The spelling of 18 is EIGHTEEN. Okay, there will be no double T, only one single T. EIGHTEEN. 18.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
EIGHTEEN. Yes, Yanvi.
मुझे 20 तक आता है.
Very nice. If you know it till 20. We are also going to do till number 20. So write down 18. EIGHTEEN. EEN. 18. EIGHTEEN. 18.
मैम मैंने दूसरी 20 की स्पेलिंग रखी है.
Okay. Okay, I can see your hate. Very good. Even Shivan, you are done? Good, Shivan. Nice. Very quick.
मैम
Yes, Kanak?
can I go to toilet?
Yes. Right. What happened? You have to write 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. Very easy. EIGHTEEN. 18. Write down now 18. The full page. Neat and clean handwriting in a very good handwriting. Done with that? Just a minute, I'll see. Very nice. Good. Very good. Yes, Kia? Okay, Kia, you are done. Very nice. Well done. Good job. Good. The one who is done, you can do the practice of number name from 11 to 18. Nivan, you have to write. Do the recap of number name 11 to 18 as we have finished till then. Chalo, let me ask you the number name. Only number name 18, okay? You will say only number name 18. Yes, Shivan, please tell me.
Only 18.
EIGHTEEN 18.
Correct, very good. Now, yes, Yanvi? You want to say something, Yanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
मैम थोड़ा मैं लिख रही हूँ.
हाँ, then write na, no issue. You finish your work, no problem. Yes, here, tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHTEEN.
Very good. Now, Hriday, you will tell me 18.
TEEN.
18.
Huh?
ELEV.
11 की नहीं 18.
18. Tell me spelling of 18, Hriday.
18 no बोल. Fast. 18. आपको बोल. बोलो.
EIGHTEEN.
Okay, might be I didn't hear it properly, but I think so. EIGH ठीक तक तो सुनाई दिया मुझे.
फिर से बोलो हृदय.
Hriday, say it
18.
properly and be careful.
EIGHTEEN.
Yes, now good, very good, well done. Yes, Shlok, you want to say something, bacha, or you have finished your work? Finished your work? Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHTEEN.
18.
18.
Good. Yanvi, what are you doing? You have to write number name 18.
Ma'am, my turn is.
Oh, yes. Of course, Kia. Yes, Kia. Tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHTEEN. 18.
Double E.
Double E, yes. Otherwise, it is correct, Kia. So, EIGHTEEN. Yes, Yanvi, just a minute, I'll see. Yanvi, I can't see it properly, bacha. Keep it near by the camera. Little bit back. Okay. But still need to write in a very good handwriting, Yanvi. Yeah? Now tell me the spelling of 18. Just a minute, Nivan, I will see yours also. Yes, Yanvi.
EIGHTEEN. 18.
Very good, Yanvi. Well done. Good. Now, Nivan, I will see yours. Just a minute, huh? Okay, now show me Nivan. Nivan. Oh. It's little bit blurry. I can't. Might be network issue. Okay, now I can see. Good. Good. But still, एक proper line में you have to write up and down, huh, Nivan? Chalo, tell me the spelling of 18 now. TT नहीं आएगा, only T. Okay? Only one T will be there. ठीक है? चलो, Vedika, you are done, बच्चा? Yes, I can see you are done. Good. Now tell
मैम
me.
मेरे को 19 की भी आती है.
Just a minute. I will not ask you 19 right now. Yes, Vedika. Good. Now tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHTEEL. 18.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Good. Now Paki. Okay. Arav, you are done writing. Good. Next time write little bit darker. Okay, Arav. But it is very good. Tell me the spelling of 18 now.
EIGHTEEN.
No. You have to say T only one time. H नहीं होता वो H होता है. Okay. So pay attention again. EIGHTEEN. 18. Okay. What? डबल टी नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ एक ही बार टी आएगा. ओके.
कुछ नहीं है क्या दिखा रहे हो ऐसे
Okay. Now correct. Good. Now Paki, show me your notebook, bacha. Yes, Paki. Good. Very good, Paki. Now tell me the spelling of 18.
18 बोल 18 the spelling बोल
EIGHTEEN.
Good, good. Very good. Nice. Now, Laksh. Yes, Laksh. Show me your notebook. Sorry. Yes, nice. Good. Perfect. Now tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHTEEN. 18.
Correct. Very good. Correct. Now, Ayansh, did you finish writing, bacha? Still writing? No problem. You can finish. No issue. Prayag, you are done? Okay. Just a minute, Prayag. Show me your notebook, Prayag. Areva. Good, good. Very nice. Good. Now tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHTEEN.
Correct. Good. Ara, we are not in the party. Don't change such backgrounds. Chalo, then now Shri, are you done, bacha? Shri. And Danish, what about you?
Only one left.
Okay, and Danish? How much is left, Danish? Danish, how much is left? Okay, then finish. Finish it. No issue. Finish it. Okay, let me do one thing. I will ask you a random number name and you have to answer that. Okay? Shri, you are done?
Ma'am, I am left to show.
Just a minute, Kanak. Yes, Shri, please show me your notebook, Shri. I can't see properly, so show me full notebook. I can see half of the page. Okay, okay. Shri, but need to improve your handwriting. Okay, bacha? Now, tell me the spelling of 18. Yes, 1880.
सामने देखकर बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
EI.
EIGHTEEN. N.
18.
18.
Correct. Good. Now, Kanak, show me yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Take it little bit back. Take it little bit back. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHT-N.
Correct. 18. Very good. Now I'm going to ask you the random number name and you will answer. Okay? Shlok, tell me the spelling of 13. Shlok.
THIRTWN.
Very good. Laksh, spelling of 12.
TWELVE. 12.
Correct. Now, Nivan, tell me the spelling of 15. Vedika, stop writing in the chat box. Very good. FISTEE. Correct. Now, Hate, tell me the spelling of 11.
ELEVEN.
Correct. Now, Kia, tell me the spelling of 16. Kia. Kia there? 16.
SIXTEEN.
Correct. Very good. Now, Shivain, tell me the spelling of 17.
SEVEN. 7. TEE.
हाँ आपको स्पेलिंग बोल 17
SEVEN. 17.
Very good. Very good, Shivain. Good. Now, Vedika, you will tell me the spelling of 13.
THIRTWN. 13.
Very good. Hriday, 14.
14.
14.
FOUR. 14.
Okay. Good. Now, Yanvi, tell me the spelling of 17.
SEVEN. 7. TEEN. 17.
Okay. Paki, spelling of 13.
THIRTEN.
THIRTEEN. Now, Prayag, spelling of 12. Prayag.
बोल 12.
TWELVE.
Very good. Well done. Now, Arav, spelling of 11. Arav.
ELVEN.
EL.
11.
Very good. Now, Kanak, tell me the spelling of 15.
FISTWN.
Very good. Ayansh and Danish, what about you, bacha? Are you done? Others can leave now, okay? Others can leave. Here we are done with the class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Danish, you are done. Okay, Danish, now tell me the spelling of 18.
EIGHTEEN.
Very good. 18, correct. Now, here we are done with our class. Okay. See you in the next class.